Another thing is, I don't know if you've seen that picture. It's like two people mining, and it's like one gets super close.
Oh yeah,
gets super close to the diamonds.
I have it on my screensaver.
Put that shit right there.
And then he walks away.
He walks away. He was this close.
Yeah, and then like somebody else is coming, and they get it. Like that's you. You're
that's
the.
why I feel like I'm like, yo, if you like, just stick in that bitch because it's gonna work. It works.
Man, every entrepreneur, every person feels that moment like, fuck, what am I doing? Why the fuck am I here?
Started from ground zero, now I'm a legend. You can't keep me away from something I was destined. I've been making moves, I've been learning lessons. I've been breaking bread with all of my best friends. Started from ground zero, now I'm a legend. You can't keep me away from something I was destined. I've been making moves, I've been learning lessons. I've been breaking all this bread with all of my best friends. Big blue face moves, haters hoping I'ma lose. They gon' be waiting forever cause I'm blowing through the roof. 50 grand on some land.
What's up, guys? We're having like a semi TED talk in the other room, and I'm really excited about it because these talks, we have them like every single day. And I haven't done a video in a while. We've been super busy, guys, with the event. We've been busy with hosting our mixer. We're doing the business. I mean, it's crazy. And trying to keep up with content, you know, and trying to follow this whole Gary V model and shit has been super challenging. But over there right now in the other room, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what happens in an environment where everybody's kind of like trying to grow. So most of you guys that are like creating your real estate business, you know, one of the things that you guys need to understand is office culture, okay? So when our people come into the office, man, we're like brothers and sisters, and we build each other up. So I've been operating my business for about 7 years now, and it took me forever to get to this point. And maybe I'll go for it and show you guys my first live video that I ever did because it was terrible. But, you know, we got my buddy Garrett over there. He's like super into psychology, and he's breaking down some of the I guess key indicators that you need to define within your own reality on how you're going to be successful, because that's super important. So it's not the whole entire conversation, guys, but you know, it's a little bit of it. I can hear him talking about it right now. So we're gonna go over there and say what's up to him, okay?
And I feel where you're coming from as far as not like lack of motivation, because I'm telling you, I was here for like 3 weeks, and I would see y'all going into Podio and getting all the leads, and I feel like, fuck, like they're getting.
How many deals you got closing this week, bro?
Two.
Two?
Yeah.
Two.
But what he did, he just fell into educate himself and learn as much as he possibly can. And it wasn't honestly in real estate. He didn't get none of his shit from real estate. He got it from TED Talks. TED Talks is the most intellectual people around the world talking about their life's work. He got it from people that are versed in psychology, actually people that have degrees and things like that. He went into understanding natural law, like human nature, physics, all that other shit, and how it all flows together so we can learn how to really talk with each other. None of it was none of that sales bullshit or anything else like that. Mm-hmm. That's just nothing but a fucking gimmick to be able to get more money.
Yeah, it's all about communication. That's the main thing. When you can communicate and have an actual conversation with somebody. When was the last time you had an actual conversation with somebody?
It was that lady a couple days ago, Barbara. I spoke to her for like 50 minutes. She didn't want to sell. She wants to sell, but she's gonna list it. But she was 80 and she was lonely. So we literally talked about CBD, Netflix.
So that's amazing. That's an actual conversation.
Yeah.
And try to match that with everybody else, even if there's total, complete strangers. Because then you'll start to realize, well, you know what? Everybody just seems to have a little small talk here and there. But everybody around the world, or everybody that you come and, you know, associate with, they don't really have that kind of communication skills. You know what I mean? And that's the main thing of where it comes down to, is communication.
Yep. It's all about building rapport and then solidifying that relationship. Like ultimately, guys, the more you care, the more that your sellers are aware. And that's something that I had to learn the hard way. You know what I mean?
Another thing is, I don't know if you've seen that picture. It's like two people mining, and it's like one gets super close.
Oh yeah,
gets super close to the diamonds.
I have it on my screensaver.
Put that shit right there.
And then he walks away.
He walks away. He was this close.
Yeah, and then like somebody else is coming, and they get it. Like that's you. You're
that's
the.
why I feel like I'm like, yo, if you like, just stick in that bitch because it's gonna work. It works.
Man, every entrepreneur, every person feels that moment like, fuck, what am I doing? Why the fuck am I here? Like,
Garrett just had one of those yesterday.
Hell yeah, and you're gonna feel it at different levels. Like we're already on this big level, and we can reach even fucking higher. And I'm like, man, what the fuck are we doing? Why the fuck are we here? You know what I mean? fucking, what is it, like 53 grand right down in 2 months, just straight into the business? When is it gonna come back? Better come back.
You got to be built for it. You got to be
is.
built for it. You know
So
what I mean?
That's why when we come around here, at least I try to talk about psychology. That's why he keeps me around so much. Is ideas for people. I love to talk about grounding techniques. Ground yourself. Get the fuck out of the overthinking, out of the overflow of emotion, out of your past trauma, the people that left you, the things that left you, the shit that fucked you up. Let's create healthy boundaries from all that shit. Let's process it then. And then let's surrender to your higher power, which in my case is God. I'm gonna surrender to God, like, I don't got control of this. I'm gonna speak my piece. Like, I had to sit down with him. I spoke my piece and I said, all right, God, you got it. I spoke my piece. And then after that, you start seeing patterns. I started going on my Facebook, just scrolling, and I see this pastor posting scripture after scripture in Psalms. He's talking about how not to trust your own opinions, just trust in that God because he got your back. How it says, how Christ is saying, don't worry about nothing, I got you.
Alrighty guys, if you liked what you saw in that video, go on ahead and head over to my YouTube channel, click subscribe, and if you look into the description box, you'll see a few different links. One of them will link you to my website. Again, guys, if you did not know, I am hosting one of the largest real estate conventions that has ever happened here in San Antonio, Texas in February, and you can click on the link at thisisgroundzero.com so that you can go over there and purchase your tickets. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe.